Hey guys, welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in my November Ipsy Glam Bag X box. So here it is right over here. I'm only going to show you the side because on top is a giant shipping label. Instead of scribbling it all out and making it look like a hot mess, I don't give two shits when I don't see the box. I'm sure you won't because we all know what the box looks like. So the pamphlet you get this month is going to be right over here, and I guess it was created by Becky G. Now, I did not know who this young lady was, so I had to Google her, and I guess she's a singer, and she used to be on Disney. Now, that is not the type of music I listen to, so that's why I had to Google her. Now, before I show you what I got in my box, if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and make sure if you like this video, hit that like button because it really helps me out to know which videos you like and which videos you don't like so I know what to make. Okay, so the first item is going to be right over here. This is a palette and this is the Artist Couture and this is going to be the Love Sprung palette in volume 1. This has a retail value of $34. So let me go ahead and show you the shades. So over here is Swoon. Let me go ahead and turn it so you can actually read it. So Swoon Me, and this is Baby Pink, and this is going to be a satin blush. Then over here is Baby Bloom, and this is going to be a peachy pink. And then the last one is Internal Flame right in the middle. And this is going to be a peachy champagne luminous blush. Now, I did use this today for the first time and I liked it. Now, what I did, I combined all the colors and I threw it on. So I'm gonna let you see what it looks like. Now, I do have fair skin, so I really liked how it looks. I'm impressed by it. I think it is a very nice blush. Okay, so the second item, Ipsy and BoxyCharm did it to me again. I got another repeat item, and it wasn't from months ago. This was in my last BoxyCharm premium box for the month of November. I was not happy when I saw it in there, but I was like, all right. They put it in there to boost the value, and guess what? It's in this one now too. This is what pisses me off that Ipsy bought BoxyCharm, is that this shit keeps happening. I don't like it, but here it is. This is the Skin Ink tool, and this has a retail value of $125. I'm not going to go into it very much. I'm going to show you what it looks like. It comes in a nice box. You get a little velvet bag with it, and then there we go. You put a battery in it and it vibrates. So here's the product. I'll turn it on because I actually put the battery in this one. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm not happy about this. I was really pissed off and I looked at my husband. I was like, are you fucking kidding me? And he's like, what's wrong? I was like, they did it to me again. And he was like, oh, they put a repeat product? I'm like, yes. If my husband notices they do that, that's a big issue. Okay, I even had to throw it away from me. That's how irritated I am. The third item in the box is by Stila, and this is the one-step correct and correcting primer. That sounds like the same thing to me. In original, and this is a 1 ounce primer. I saw this, I didn't get excited about it until I used it. Now with me, how I'm going to use it, I've used it 3 times now. I put it on and this actually took the redness out of my face. Being fair-skinned and German-Irish, I have a lot of redness, pinkness, and you can see veins certain places. So this actually was a big difference. So when I'm not wearing makeup and I want to go out and I want to look halfway normal, I'm going to use this. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely. When I looked at it, I thought it was gimmicky because it's a really pretty bottle with all the colors in it. You have the purple, you have the green, and I think that's pink, orange, I don't know. But I'm impressed with how this worked. And this has a retail value for $36 for 1 fluid ounce. And I just put 1 pump on it. So 1 pump, put it in my skin, pat it in, and I'm telling you, I can see a big difference with this. Okay, so the fourth item is going to be the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lipstick in shade Rose. So here it is. And this has a retail value of $21. Now, I'm wearing this on my lips today, but I'm going to do a swatch for you. And we've been getting this quite a bit, but I don't know, with the gold packaging, this is different, and the other ones are a gloss. I'm not sure on that, but we seem to be getting a lot of the Tarte lipsticks or the Tarte gloss. Let me know if there's a difference with the gold packaging than their regular, but it's a nice product. I like it. It keeps my lips juicy and nice and not crusty. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Got my cute little clipboard. Okay, so the fifth item is going to be by Tower 28, and this is the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Toner, and you get 4 ounces for $28. Now, how I use it is after the shower, I hop out and then I spray this on my face. So it gives me a little time when I go towards my skincare. Toners are nice for that. So you could sit there, jump out, and this was really refreshing. This was nice. There was no burn, because there are some toners that have burn. You do not want any alcohol in your toner. To me personally, and me talking to my dermatologist, there's different opinions. I don't like to have witch hazel in it. And somebody asked me to explain it next time I said that. So witch hazel, from my dermatologist, says over time, constant use, it breaks down your skin barrier. So that's why I personally don't like it. If you are having excellent results, then don't listen to what I'm saying. You listen to what your skin says. But that is my personal opinion on that. Okay, so the next item, this one surprised me. I saw this and I did not think it was going to be for me, and I'm going to rub all my fingerprints in it because it has the wonderful packaging that picks everything up. Okay, so this is the Iconic London Brow Silk. So, let me show you. It just looks like a petroleum jelly. That's the only thing I can think of what it is. But here's the product here, and then it also comes with a brush. And I did not think I was going to like this. Now, this has a retail value of $25. And I guess what people said, this product is supposed to be like an easier soap brow thing. I never was into that trend, but what I liked is I put it on, and I only put it down over here on the thickest part of my eyebrow. And it gave me fluffy eyebrows, which I really liked. I did not think I was gonna like it. Now, I don't pull them all the way up. I know some people like to do that. I just added a little extra fluffiness, which was nice. So I'm happy I found this product. Okay, so the next item is going to be the 7th item. And this, it scared me. Now, I've read a few reviews. They say they smell the rose. I don't think I smell the rose. I'm going to do it one more time. It's a sweet flower scent, but I'm not getting a heavy rose. Yeah, I'm not getting rose on it. So let me go ahead and tell you what it is. So this is the Biro, and this is the Rose Tea Eye Cream. And this has a value of $26. I was scared with the scent this was going to irritate my eyes. So I put it on, and it did not. This was a nice eye cream. Is it anything special? No. It is a lightweight gel that goes on. So I'm, of course, going to use it that it's in the box. So let me go ahead and rub it on my hand so you can see. It's a very light pinky beige color, but you can't tell when you put it on your eyes. So here it is. And then just rubbing it in. It's a very nice light eye cream. I don't like heavy eye creams because that you can get milia on it, and that scares me. Okay, so we made it to the last product, the 8th product in the box. And this is over here, the Balance Me Tri-Molecule Hyaluronic Serum, and this has a retail value of $43. And this is a thicker hyaluronic acid because I'm used to thinner, so I want you to see it. Hopefully you can pick it up. Get my fat face out of it. So as you can see, this is a lot thicker and not as watery. This is a very nice hyaluronic acid. It felt really nice when I put it on. It sinked into my skin, so I'm going to continue using it. I've never even heard of Balance Me, but happy with this one. Okay, so if you add all 8 items, my total box is $388. Now let's talk about this box. And let me go ahead and get this over here because we're gonna have to talk about this. When I opened this box, I was livid. I was not happy with what I saw in the box because this box is $60. And let me explain this because I did not do that in the beginning. The $60 is $58 and now they're doing $1.99 for handling tax. So 60 bucks. So this is not a cheap box. This is a freaking expensive box. When I first subscribed to this, because I was from the first box, I've had it ever since. This box used to be bomb. I used to be so excited when I got this. The last couple of boxes, I have not been happy. So when I saw this pissed me off. Now there was a few surprise items. So here's the thing. Do I like it? Will I cancel or will I keep it? I'm going to cancel it, and this is the reason why. I actually, like I said, I've had it from day one, and I'm a person that doesn't like to cancel things. I like to give companies a chance to make up for it. Not everybody has highs all the time. You're going to get lows on any company. So what would I rebuy? This over here I would rebuy, the Stila Primer. I really liked it, so that is $36. So I'm adding that in. The next item I would buy is this over here. This is the Tarte Juicy Lip. Remember, this had a value of $21. The next item I would purchase again, the Tower 28 Toner. I really like this. That had a retail value of $28. The last thing I would repurchase, because I like the effect of it. Now I think this is going to last me a long time, so I don't think I'm going to have to rebuy it in a while, because just this little part of my brow is not very much. So the Iconic London Brow Silk had a retail value of $25. So if I add up all the products that I would actually repurchase, my total value was $110 for me. Spending $60, that's not a value for me. Not whatsoever. Not when I could sit there on their regular month and get so much more for less. So that is personally why I'm canceling this box. And I'm going to watch and see how they do on their later boxes. And if I see it improve, I may consider resubscribing. I don't know, maybe. No, because it's not because the girl was young. Because the last box, Alicia Keys, she's around my age, and I didn't like that box either. So I'm canceling. I'm canceling the Glam Bag X. I am not happy with it, and this is somebody that has gotten it from day one. But with that, let's go ahead and end on a happy note. And you know you're going to get my honest opinion. I'm not going to sugarcoat shit. And I've had companies that go over and reach out to me and they said, oh, we love your content. You are wonderful. And I talked so bad about their product. I'm like, that has to be because they want me to change my opinion, because there's no way they could have watched it and they said, I like this lady. I like her talking shit about my company. But my opinion is going to always come out. I don't give a shit what a company says. All right, let's go ahead and go back to the happiness. Fur baby time. Here is Miss Princess Sugar Bear. She's coming to say goodbye. Give all our friends kisses. Yes, all the kisses and hugs coming your way. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Remember, I think you guys are fucking amazing and gorgeous. Love you guys.